Experiencing power issues with your JBL EON 615. Let's systematically troubleshoot the most common causes, starting with the basics. First, inspect the power cable thoroughly. Look for any physical damage, ensure both ends are securely connected, and if possible, test with a known working cable. Damaged cables like this one with exposed wires are a common cause of power issues. They can lead to complete failure, intermittent problems, or even safety hazards. Next, test the AC outlet. The JBL EON 615 requires proper voltage, typically 110 to 120 volts in North America or 220 to 240 volts in Europe and Asia. Use a multimeter as shown, or test the outlet with another device. Follow this systematic approach. First, check the power cable, then test the AC outlet. If these basic checks don't resolve the issue, you'll need to move on to fuse inspection and internal reset procedures. Remember, 60% of power issues resolve with these external power system checks. Always verify the power source before moving to internal component inspection. Before inspecting internal fuses, always disconnect the AC power completely. This is critical for your safety when working with electrical components. The main AC fuse is located near the power input on the rear panel of the JBL EON 615. You'll typically need to remove a small access panel to reach it. The main AC fuse is typically a 5 amp slow blow type. Always replace it with an identical fuse rating and type. Never use a different amperage rating as this can damage your speaker. If the fuse blows again immediately after replacement, this indicates a more serious internal problem. Do not keep replacing fuses as this suggests component failure requiring professional repair. For modern EON 615 units, try a soft reset if fuse replacement doesn't solve the problem. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds while the unit is unplugged, then reconnect power and test. If problems persist after fuse replacement and reset procedures, this typically indicates component aging issues. Capacitors degrade over time, and thermal cycling from transport can damage internal components. These issues require professional diagnosis and repair. Remember, always prioritize safety by disconnecting power, use only identical fuse ratings, try the soft reset procedure, and seek professional help when basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue.